later than usual today because she has some sort of Spanish test, but it turns out that it was yesterday. So that poor girl is waiting in the cold, and I gotta get to her, and now you're gonna see my fast driving. So I'm currently editing the first video, and I want a cap of like 12 minutes. And this first video that I am editing is 12 minutes and 33 seconds, which isn't horrible. It's just I don't know if anybody's going to sit through the fact that it's like, you know, my phone is rattling against the dashboard the entire time. But we'll see. We'll see. Ooh, the view out of the back of the car is really pretty. I'm currently trying to open a bag of cough drops with one hand. Gas is $1.97. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. My mom and I didn't think that it would dip below $2, but I guess, you know, we got lucky. And as I said the word lucky, the light changed. So maybe not too lucky, but at least I get to open this bag of cough drops in peace. Plastic. I was under the impression that these tasted extra good because they're strawberry flavored. But we'll see. Taste testing. Alright. Okay. It's like the people working at the cough drop industry were like, alright, candy, we're making candy. Cool, strawberry flavored cough drops, right? Strawberry. Alright, keep pouring strawberry. Keep going. Keep going, perfect. Alright. Oh shoot, we're making cough drops, right? Okay, add the cough drop stuff. It's like the cough drop stuff tastes like an afterthought. That's kind of good. I'll have my sister taste test when she's in the car, which is in about a minute. I feel bad that I made her wait outside because I hate making her wait. As much as I hate her making me wait, at least I'm in a car. I mean, sure, there are those times when I have like shit to do, but like, you know, it's cold. Run over these Asians. Luckily, none of them was my sister. Alright, and I pull up to the door, and there she is! Yay! I hope that you could hear me over that first 2 minutes because, oh god. Because the vent was on pretty loud. Hi. Oops. Well, it's okay. I bought some really questionably okay cough drops. Would you like to try one?
Questionably okay?
Questionably okay.
And they want like certainly questionably.
Oh.
Questionably.
I like the definitely we got on the camera.
Has it been like that or?
No.
Well, there's gangsterly in that one.
Ooh. It's a little worse.
Ooh. Cherry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. I'm staring at a strawberry and I said cherry.
Because who learns things in kindergarten? Alright, that's not horrible.
Whoop.
Nailed it!
Who's on my left?
Describe what you're tasting.
Strong sense of medicine. with like the slightest, like it's like an after. If a taste could be afterthoughts, there's like an afterthought of strawberry.
I said the exact opposite when I first ate it.
Really?
This is gonna be funny. Yeah. I was like, when I first ate it, I'm like, oh, it tastes like candy. And then like the afterthought was like, oh crap, we're making a cough drop. So they poured as much of the cough drop stuff as I could.
I guess that's why I taste like the cough drop.
Good thing I bought 2 bags. How was school?
So for them.
I don't think so. Eggs?
Eggs. School was okay.
I hope they can hear us.
Yeah, over the wind.
Yeah, over the wind. It's either, oh my gosh, so I was editing. I was just telling them. I was editing. And it turns out that my phone is rattling against this thing. So there's just like a, over the entire video.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Is
so-
it like really like loud?
Yeah, but I cut it. It was like a half an hour long video, but I cut it down to 12 minutes, which was my cap. So I want you to review it when I get home. It's only the first clip of us going to McDonald's. So I'm thinking if any like ride lasts longer than, I'll say 10 minutes, then I'll make it its own video and I'll just post it that day. But like yesterday, I only took about 4 minutes of footage. So that's gonna go up as like its own video with like, you know, all the clips together.
Okay. Sounds like a plan, right?
Editing took a while though. You're right?
Yeah.
Strawberry's too delicious, right?
It's like all I really feel right now. Just feel the strawberries.
I wish it had a little bit less of that menthol flavor. Just a little bit. This is like getting disgusting now. Good thing I bought 2 bags for $2. You know what? This
You
is
don't
gonna...
taste that? I just taste medicine. I guess because it's not strong. It's strong enough of like a sugary taste for me because I like eat a lot of sugar, so I guess my tolerance went up. If that's possible.
I don't think it is, but let's say that it is.
It is. Scientific research, everything.
So, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, this makes you not want to get sick. Because it's like, alright, don't get sick or else I'm going to make you eat these strawberry cough drops. Isn't it gross? It's kind of gross, isn't it?
Oh no, I'm not doing that. I like breathe out from my mouth when I'm cold.
Oh.
I don't know when I started that, but I realized I was doing it as I was walking from the front to the cul-de-sac.
You were in the front? I could have just gotten you from the front so you didn't have to walk.
I told you I was going to the cul-de-sac because it wouldn't be as windy.
Was that true?
Yeah.
That's good. The wind was only coming from, you know, the awkward directions of the side, below you, and above you.
Like rain and where did they go? What was that?
It was Vietnam.
Yeah.
We're referencing Forrest Gump, by the way.
Yeah, I talk out of context. Not sorry. Learn my ways.
Ging said, oh, it's snowing, so we were gonna go to, what's it called? We were gonna go to that waffle place that Ging and I have been wanting to go to since I didn't get called to work and Ging didn't have work. So it would have been the perfect day for us to brunch. But we both didn't think about that. So we were gonna go to the diner. Now, to park in the driveway or in the street? Are we gonna be out before Mount Baguio? Yes, the answer is yes.
It's freezing.
Literally.
This is probably like a decent temperature for like Canadians or something.
Or
Or
people from
Russians.
Michigan.
Or Michigan.
Alright, well, till next time, cars off. Roll off.